Can you create a YouTube channel using just an action camera? To find out, I gave my GoPro to a group of high school soccer players and told them to go have some fun. None of these soccer players had ever used a GoPro before, and with just a few tips on how to operate this camera and some ideas for capturing content, I stepped out of the way to see what they could do. What they gave me back was pretty amazing. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to attach the footage captured by the soccer players towards the end of this video. You really don't want to miss this. Today, I'm diving into how you can elevate your YouTube content using just an action camera. Whether you're into vlogging, adventure sports, or just want to capture life's moments in high quality, an action camera may be just what you're looking for. So why use an action camera? Well, action cameras are not just rugged and compact. They're designed to accompany you on your adventures where a regular camera just would not survive. Action cameras are perfect for high energy moments, but action cameras are not just for extreme sports. They're versatile tools for storytelling as well. The wide-angle lens ensures that you'll capture every thrilling second, or switch the camera over to linear mode for a closer, more personal shot without all the background distractions. Action cameras seem to find a place no matter what you ask of them. With features like waterproofing, shock resistance, and wide-angle lenses, action cameras allow you to capture footage that's as intense as your experiences. One of the biggest advantages of action cameras is their ability to shoot stunning high-definition video, sometimes with quality being as high as 4 or 5K video, while being lightweight and portable. This means you can take them anywhere and be ready to capture your next video footage. So which action camera should you choose? Well, two of the most popular options right now are the GoPro and the DJI Osmo Action Series. I currently own GoPro, and unfortunately I have never had the opportunity to use a DJI, so I'm just going to speak about GoPro for this video. I create my videos with a GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is a camera that's been around for a few years. It's a perfect starter camera for the creators over 40, as it's easy to operate, it's not very expensive on the secondhand market, and it produces top quality results. For content creators who also like to stick to a budget, the GoPro Hero 7 Black may be just what you're looking for. Let's not forget about mounting the camera. This is where the fun really begins. There are selfie sticks, mini tripods, helmet mounts, chest mounts, neck mounts, magnets, and suction cups for vehicle shots, and many more. Be really careful about going down that rabbit hole when it comes to mounts. Be sure to really evaluate your needs before you spend the money on something that you may not actually use. The right mount can definitely elevate your content. Mounting systems for GoPros range from very little cost to very expensive. While there are expensive accessories out there, with a little frugal shopping and comparing your needed features versus your wanted features, you can be well on your way to outfitting your setup at very little cost. Finally, let's talk about storytelling. Yes, an action camera is great for capturing stunning visuals, but your audience wants a story. Share your journey. What challenges did you face? What made you smile? This is where you connect with the viewers on a deeper level. Make sure to talk to your audience directly in the video and build that connection. Since we're discussing the topic of storytelling, now would be a great time to see that video captured by the soccer players. There's a little backstory here just so all of this kind of makes some sense. I'm a photographer, and I was asked to do a photo shoot for the seniors on the team that will be graduating this year. This footage is captured from that photo shoot and documents the activities of the players while waiting for their shots to be taken. All of this footage is captured by them. I only put it together, and I did some light editing and added some music to kind of make it cool for them. Here we go.
Welcome. What day is it? I don't know what day it is.
It's a Saturday.
But yesterday was a great day, and today's even a more wonderful day. I'm here with the seniors, and we flicking up.
We flicking up. How's it going, Joe? Gatekeeping all this stuff.
I really hope this information will help you get your YouTube journey on its way to success. Remember, YouTube is not just a place for the younger crowd. Those of us over 40, 50 and beyond have stories to tell, and YouTube is a great place to do just that. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Our subscriber count has grown to almost 50 of the most appreciated subscribers on YouTube, and we want you to be part of the community that we're building. Make sure that you click that like button, you subscribe, and you click the bell icon so you are informed when our new videos are posted. You really, really don't want to miss these. Guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye.